Okay, gremlins, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're doing okay. This is a quick video to introduce what we're doing with the new chapter and how everything is put together. Usually we do this in class, but today we have to do it this way, so I hope it works. So the chapter that we're working on is chapter 8, Control and Coordination. You can find it in your Caboodle book as well. I've created a Google Docs for your homework assignments, project assignments, and information. First of all, I want you guys to go to Edpuzzle. If you've never signed up before, use the instructions. Otherwise, you can log in with your Google from school and everything should work. With the homework assignments, I've created a Google Doc for every kid. You can just open them, you can start working on the assignments. It clearly says what you need to do with Quizlet, what video you need to watch, even what pages to read, and then what assignments to do. You just type in this document and you only click submit when I tell you to click submit, and that's when you're going to get feedback, and you're also going to earn points towards your grade for doing your homework and for being in the lessons. If I then go back to Classroom, you have the exact same setup for your project assignment, which means I'll clearly tell you when you need to do what, and you type in this document and nowhere else, and you upload screenshots in this document, and that is it. Now, if you go to Classroom, you also have information on Brain Bootcamp. So Brain Bootcamp is going to be the project that you guys are going to be working on. That means you're going to research a skill that you want to achieve. You're going to practice it for 30 minutes every day, and you're going to use this cycle: imagine, explore, learn, think, and know. So during Imagine, you're going to be thinking about, what could I possibly want to learn? Now, you could go for a cognitive training. Are you going to train your brain? You could go for something physical. Are you going to train your muscles? And are you going to try to learn a new skill? Or you could do a creative training. You are not allowed to have as a goal, get to the next level of an Xbox game or a PlayStation game. This is not going to be about gaming. This is not going to be about social media or anything like that. I don't want you on TikTok or anything else for this project. Then you're going to explore. So what do I want to do? What ideas do I have? What is possible? What do I have in the house? What can I do? Make it work. I'm not going to expect you to go outside too often. I'm not expecting you to buy new stuff to do this project. Then when you start learning, you need to take a look. What level am I? If you're a novice, you're level 1 to 10 on a scale out of 10. If you're an advanced beginner, it's 3 to 4, competent, and so on. During this project, we'll ask you to explain on several occasions what level do you think you are with that skill, so then you can use this scale to grade it. Going back to motivation, I forgot to explain that. What is your motivation for this skill? Level 1, level 2, they all explain it. Level 5 is I really want to do it and it makes me happy. On multiple occasions, you will also be asked to fill in what your motivation level is, as well as your advanced level. Then you go to think. So, how far am I? Am I happy with my results? What could I do to improve the results? And then with no, which means go to the level of mastery you would like to go to and make sure that you achieve that. So hopefully, instead of it feeling like we're stuffing your brain full of stuff, it feels like you're growing and nurturing your brain so that that gets better. Now, I would like to repeat, being in the lessons and doing the homework assignments will earn you points. These points will count towards your test and your project. That started today, which means some people missed out on points today because they weren't online. You only need to click submit on the homework when I ask you to a Magister, and in the meantime, we are keeping track of what you are doing. I no longer wish to get emails saying, "Miss, the link didn't work, my computer didn't work," anything like that. We've been homeschooling for 4 weeks. You need to have it working by now. Sending me an email after I mark you as absent is not good enough. I can change things in Magister, so that is set in stone. I do hope to see more of an effort with you guys, that you are coming online. Pay attention to the deadlines, what you have to achieve for Quizlet, and I wish you guys all the best. Keep safe.